Okay, so next we're going to look at the pattern editor preview. So once you're happy with your design, you simply click Done and Next. This will then render your image in the background on our special design tool and repeat pattern your design that you've created. So by default it will come in at a set size, and you can use the top glider under the size category to adjust how many times you want your design repeated on an A4 landscape page. So select your desired size using the top glider. You've then got the option to use the left offset if you want to just bring in your image half and half, and the same for the top offset as well. So you can dictate how much of the design you wish to appear on the page itself. You can then adjust the angle if you wish. Because we've used a frame, I think it makes sense that we leave this set at the 0 midway point. And the same for padding. Padding is if you didn't have a frame or you wanted to add some extra white padding between the design. Can you see the image getting slightly smaller and the white space increasing in size? This is what allows you then just to separate out the design. This is quite good if you've used solid block colour with no bleed. You could just break up the design to your desired size. Next, you've got an optional tag that you can add. It will only appear, if you do select this, on the first page of the PDF, and then on the second page of the PDF it won't appear. So you've got best of both worlds there. So it's worth just adding, and it's also easier as well when you come to wrap the design. You can obviously personalise your design straight away. Once you're happy, you can then save and then move on to the next stage where you can just proof check, proofread your design before you then commit to download and pay. Simply click on the eye icon, double check especially your spelling, make sure that the size of the repeat design is to your liking, and if so, you can then either save it later to re-edit it, or you can then move on by checking these boxes, which will then activate the pay and download, or if you have a credit to use, you can use the credit at this stage. Brilliant, look forward to seeing your designs. Have fun.
Printwrap.com